Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little bit something different. We're going to do some amateur radio, so stay tuned. I was driving home one day and I was listening to my local repeater, and I heard two guys talking about a contest that they were doing. It was called WinterHeat. Apparently, it starts on January 1st and ends on the 31st. That's a whole month. They seemed like they were having fun, so I looked into it and I decided to join them. This contest is a Simplex contest. So currently I only have access to 4 frequencies, which is 2 meters and 70 centimeters FM. My station consists of a turn of the century Kenwood. It's a TMG 707A, run through LMR 400, up to a Diamond X300 NA antenna.
KC3, Victor Golf Papa. KC3, Victor Golf Papa, gotcha. QSL. Outstanding. N3 BCA, can you copy KC3, Victor Golf Papa?
Victor.
Copy loud and clear.
Yeah, I copy. Was it KC3 Victor Golf Papa? This is November 3 Victor Charlie Alpha.
November 3, Victor Charlie Alpha, this is Kilo 2, Hotel Bravo.
Kilo 2 Hotel Bravo, this is November 3 Victor Charlie Alpha 59.
November 3, Victor Charlie Alpha, this is Kilo 2, Hotel Bravo, you're 59 here also.
Did you want me to log that, or are you logging?
I'm logging.
QSL.
Okay, KC3 BTP and 3 BCA. Please copy KC3 TIQ. We're going to QSY, so K2HP can get KC3 BGP, and then we'll go to UHF. So QSY 257.
N3 Victor Charlie Alpha, this is Kilo 2, Hotel Bravo.
Kilo 2 Hotel Bravo, this is November 3 Victor Charlie Alpha 59.
You're 59 here as well. Thanks for the contact.
KC3 BGP, KC3 TIQ. This is KC3 BGP. Over. Okay, do you have UHF capabilities? That's correct. And 3 BCA, do you have UHF capabilities?
Yes, I do. I did hear KC3 VGP. Are you there?
KC3 VGP, I'm here.
You're 59.
And 3 BCA, KC3 LEC.
KC3 LEP, LEC, I believe it was. This is November 3 Victor Charlie Alpha.
Very good. I've got you S4 over in Phoenixville near Kimmer. KC3 BGP, that's November 3 Victor Charlie Alpha.
November 3 Victor Charlie Alpha, WinterHeat.
November 3 Victor Charlie Alpha, Kilo Charlie 3 Tango India Quebec, QSL on 400.
You're 5'9". This being my first contest, I did make a few mistakes, but that's okay. I did have a lot of fun. I made a bunch of contacts, and hopefully by the end of the contest period, I've made quite a bit more. And I just wanted to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later.